Deep within the Amazon rainforest, explorers set out on an unforgettable adventure, navigating the winding rivers and towering trees. They encountered a kaleidoscope of wildlife, including vibrant macaws and stealthy jaguars, showcasing the rich tapestry of life in this unparalleled ecosystem. Amidst the lush vegetation, locals shared their profound knowledge of the forest, revealing medicinal plants and sustainable practices tied to their heritage. One evening, a wise shaman offered a spiritual ceremony, connecting the adventurers to the heartbeat of the rainforest. As the sun set, they marveled at the symphony of sounds, leaving with a deep appreciation for the wonders of the wild that would forever inspire their souls.